let's talk about getting your parents insured. When you're getting insurance for yourself, also look into insurance for your parents. Please, people, make sure you're asking your parents, do they have insurance? What type of insurance they have? What company the insurance is with? Who's paying the insurance? What bank account is coming out? You want to know all of these things because God forbid your parents get sick and they're not keeping up with the bills. You want to make sure you take over those policies. It happens way too often that people's parents have policies, and then when they get sickly, for some reason it just doesn't get paid. Something happens with the bank account, and now they pass away and they end up having no insurance. Now, if your parents do not have insurance, please think about talking to your siblings and making sure, and if you don't have any siblings, if you can afford to, look at getting them insurance, because guess what happens when your parents pass away? That falls in your lap to take care of their burial, and you don't want to be sitting there holding the bag and not having enough money to take care of burying your parents. So everybody, please make sure that you ask your parents, do you have life insurance? How much they have? Where's the policy? What type of policy it is? Make sure it's a policy that's not going to expire on them. Also, make sure that you find out how it's getting paid. So if you ever have to step in, you can. Also, ask your parents if they do have a policy. You can see if you can get put on the policy as a person for them to contact if they don't pay the policy. This way you're notified. This way, if they don't pay, you can pay and make sure that the policy still is in force. So everybody, again, make sure you ask your parents, do they have insurance? And you know what, while you're at it, ask all your siblings, do they have insurance as well?